tried it again, now it's working. This is a weird damn camera, it's silver. Anyway, I'm on a scissor run. My phone was started ringing off. The people who make, some of the ladies around this area who make masks or scissors, they're dull. I picked up 4 or 5 at the first stop, and now I'm headed to another stop. This is right down where we were detecting that this morning. We'll see how this camera does on this second go around. Well, we're getting ready for our second spin. There's all the scissors, gang of scissors. No, somebody's on the street. Look, a little teeny dog. She hates anybody on the street. Well, here's the first set. Can't make out what they are. I'm going to clean these up a little bit. 2 pair of gingers, some Fiskars, and titanium. The second one's sewing scissors, a pair of pinkers, and another big set of industrial type shears. You need a little cleaning too. Now I gotta sharpen them all. Dinner to go from our favorite Italian restaurant, Mangia Quay. A Greek salad, a wine, meatballs marinara, and Chris got, what'd you get?
Bolognese.
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 Meatballs marinara. I might have to try that. I've never tried that before.
I haven't either. Timmy always gets it.
Yo, you haven't had it before either?
No.
Looks pretty good.